Following the sudden spike in number of cases in Karnataka, the government has imposed a one-week lockdown in Bengaluru starting 14th July. Now we understand that there's going to be very restricted movement of vehicles during this lockdown period, and to give you an understanding, today being a Sunday as well, with the lockdown being imposed, there is very strict enforcement on ground by the police. As you can see, each and every vehicle is in fact being stopped, checked, and then being allowed to proceed further. Now this is in fact the deployment of the police around the city market area, and you can actually see how it is of course very stringent, and this is how it's going to be for the next 1 week. Now people have been urged not to come out unless absolutely essential, because let's remember that it's only the essential shops that are going to remain open. Now this in fact being the market area, the KR market, the city market for that matter, all the shops have been made to remain shut. They are going to remain shut for the next 1 week. This entire area also of course going further has been completely sealed, and it's not just the police persons but also in fact the BBMP marshals that would be taking charge. And not just this, we also understand that several mosques such as these have voluntarily decided to shut their doors, not only of course for this period of 1 week, but even going forward also they have in fact decided to remain shut. Several big mosques such as these that would ideally see a huge congregation of worshippers that would gather. So we're now picking up that following that, for this 1 week, strict enforcement that would in fact be taking place by the police, and people have of course not only been urged not to come out, but even while coming out, masks are compulsory, and also people will have to maintain social distancing, otherwise a stringent fine would be imposed on the people. Now in fact, this of course being a very busy junction, you're seeing cops being deployed, but it's imperative for us to understand that it's about time we all did our bit and not came out unless absolutely essential. Now also what we in fact understand is that the sudden spike in number of cases in Bengaluru has in fact left the authorities in a tizzy. While initially the government of Karnataka had said that they would not be imposing a lockdown, it almost seems like with no other option left, now the government has imposed a lockdown. This lockdown would only be to the extent of Bengaluru rural and Bengaluru urban, where we're only going to be seeing milk booths, vegetable shops, fruit shops, and also medicine or pharmacies that would be remaining open. Now how effective is this 1 week lockdown going to be? We'll only find out once the lockdown is imposed, but also people are in fact urged not to come out unless absolutely essential. Let's remember that the cases are in fact on a rise in Bengaluru. We are in fact headed the Delhi and Mumbai way, and the only way to curtail or to contain the spread of this is by ensuring that people stay indoors, that people in fact do not come out unless absolutely essential. Now also at this point in time, we understand that the BBMP authorities, in fact the entire city of Bengaluru has been divided into 8 zones. Each zone would be looked after by one nodal authority that's been appointed, ideally a minister, and this is the plan of action for the government of Karnataka.